Shri Bhagwati presents Syrup Manufacturing Plant. Here's a description of a typical syrup manufacturing plant. First, raw material storage. The plant has designated storage areas for the raw materials used in syrup production. These materials may include sugars, such as sucrose, glucose, or fructose, flavoring agents, coloring agents, preservatives, acids, and other ingredients. The raw materials are stored in controlled conditions to maintain their quality. Second, weighing and mixing. The raw materials are accurately measured and mixed according to specific formulations. Large mixing tanks or vessels are used to combine the ingredients, ensuring thorough blending. The mixture is typically heated to dissolve sugars or other solids. Third, heating and boiling. The mixture is heated to a specific temperature to achieve the desired consistency and viscosity. This step involves the use of heating equipment such as steam jackets or heat exchangers. The mixture may be boiled to remove excess water and concentrate the syrup. Fourth, filtration and clarification. After boiling, the syrup undergoes filtration and clarification processes to remove any impurities, solids, or sediments. This can be done through various filtration techniques, such as straining, centrifugation, or using filter presses. Fifth, flavoring and coloring. Flavoring agents and coloring agents are added to the syrup mixture in precise quantities to enhance taste and appearance. These ingredients are thoroughly mixed to ensure even distribution. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.